Horrific incident that's coming to light of a ragging that's taken place of a class 10 student branded with hot iron. This is the alleged torture that was, at the receiving end of this class 10 student. This is a ragging incident that is being reported from the Konaseema district in Andhra Pradesh. Uma, my colleague, joining us. Uma, take us through the details of this very shocking case. This is a ragging incident of a class 10 student. Take us through what really happened here. This was something that took place at the hostel.
So this was a hostel meant for these class 10 students, and this child was along with his classmates, and that is when we are told that they were trying to take away a CCTV and they had put it in his bag, and subsequently when he had told about it to the teachers, the other students got upset, and when they came into the room, they branded him with an iron box on the stomach, on the hands and also his thighs, and he suffered severe burns in fact, but he was also warned that if he were to reveal this to any of the teachers or the authorities or to his parents, that he would face further harassment or cruelty at their hands, and that's how he was threatened. And the child did not say anything for a week. He suffered with this kind of very raw injuries which in fact started getting infected as well. Over the weekend, when his mother came to meet him, that is when she suddenly realized that this kind of shocking treatment has been meted out to her son, and that's when she went ahead and complained to the police as well, because she says that when she complained to the Chaitanya school, the private school where this student was studying, they had not paid much attention to it, and that's the reason she went to the police. Of course, all this coming as very shocking, because the management not acting and not even knowing in fact about a child who was in their care, that he had been subjected to this kind of a torture.
Right. Thank you so much, Uma, for getting us those details.